It's still pretty tight, but it feels good. I mean, it's kind of marbly since he killed it a little bit right there, but
yeah,
I think it's all right.
I mean, I definitely think it's too tight, just staggered.
Yeah.
Is that?
Yeah.
Because it's got like 6 inches, and I'd be at like 7, 7.5 is what I would.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about like, is it smashing the left rear real hard? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just so tight.
Okay.
Paul, let's check the fuel in that one. Might be hitting the dash front.
Yeah, it's running pretty good now that it's working. It's just really tight.
Yeah.
Where do you feel tight at?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Especially on exit, but I mean, it's just tight everywhere.
Exit of 4.
Who's got the Allen wrench?
Exit of 4 mainly, yeah.
Bob, man.
Bob? You got the Allen wrench? Otter wrench? Yeah.
Suzuki stroker, huh? Well, I can promise you one thing.
We just got our cars in the expo after a long day of practice, working on them. Looking a little dirty, getting work done. We got a couple house cars, so this is Christopher Bell's in stock. Pretty nice looking car. Here's mine in both Outlaw classes. Jake's running both Outlaw classes. We basically have the identical cars, just backwards paint schemes, kind of cool looking. Jackson's running Restrictor. I love the yellow on this car. Really pretty Restrictor car. And there's 4 in the upper class cars, and then we have Jesse over here, my cousin. These are all my cousins in Junior Sprint. So my cousin Jesse's running this one, my cousin Jackson's running that one, Jake's running this one, and then Christopher Bell's running that one. So pretty cool setup we got in the Sawyer camp. Nice little Sawyer cars going on. Sawyer trailer's there. Here's my name right there. One here in 2015. Gonna try to do it again this year.